Exactly.
Yeah, I know a little bit about everything.
About pitching woo too.
Pitching
okay.
woo. Pitching woo.
Okay, there
Look
we
it
go.
up.
There we go. All right. Before I get in trouble, let's go ahead and talk about the high temperatures this month so far. 3 consecutive days now of above normal temperatures, and today was the warmest day of the month for Tyler, Texas. We hit 75 degrees, and tomorrow could even be warmer than that. I'll explain why here in just a little bit, but as you can see, everybody under a ½ inch of rain for the day. Gilmer, the highest report at an airport at about 45/100ths of an inch, about 3/10 of an inch reported at Tyler Pounds Airport. Okay, so there was your front and storm system that has now slid off to the east, while the upper level low is continuing to spin up into the upper Midwest. But there you go. There's the next front that will pop up on the screen here in just a second. There it is, beginning to enter the panhandles of Texas and Oklahoma and West Kansas as well. Temperatures right now still warm, upper 60s, lower 70s. Tyler at 71, it's 69 in Longview. Those wind speeds have calmed down just a little bit, about 5 to 10 miles per hour, but please be very careful if you're walking around in the parks. I already know of 2 separate stories of branches falling in residential areas, so it can be quite scary when we do have windy conditions like what we have seen today. Here's Futurecast. Clouds at 9 o'clock in deep East Texas. That will transition over into a light shower or two. This is about 3 o'clock, but still no storms. Still no storms by 6 o'clock, so most of tomorrow evening, I think we're good. But we do see that front moving in. We have very warm conditions because of a strong southerly wind. We also have the lift from the front. You mix those all together, you get those storm chances, and that's exactly what we're going to see. This is 8 o'clock. Western counties, including the cities of Athens, Canton, Emory, and Sulphur Springs, initially seeing the storms. That shifts over to Gilmer, Tyler, and Longview by 11 o'clock. And then the storms move out by 4, and we're left with clouds through daybreak. But Thursday afternoon, those clouds will be moving out of the area. So here is that severe weather outlook. We are under a level 2 slight risk. That does include most of East Texas, including North Tyler, Mineola, Sulphur Springs, Gilmer, and Longview, while areas from Cherokee County and Smith County pointing off to the southwest, you guys are under a level 1 marginal risk of severe weather. Here is the storm timeline for tomorrow evening into early Thursday morning. So we're still more than 24 hours away from these storms getting into the area, so we may change these times around just a little bit. But our western counties, you guys see the storms first about 7 to 11 o'clock tomorrow evening, 9 to 1 in the morning for Crockett, Jacksonville, Longview, and Gilmer. And then in the red, Marshall, Center, Nacogdoches, Lufkin, Hemphill. You guys can expect those storms anywhere between midnight and 4 o'clock in the morning. So what are the main threats? Damaging wind gusts, large hail. I don't expect a widespread tornado outbreak, but 1 or 2 are certainly a possibility. And flash flooding, that risk remains low. So please be weather aware for tomorrow night. Have a source of weather information that will wake you up in the middle of the night, just in case a warning is issued. I don't expect widespread severe weather, but nonetheless, there's still a chance that we may have a couple of warnings. Here are the next 7 days. We are dry, we are chilly Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Rain chances do return to the fold Monday and Tuesday. And as we look at deep East Texas, storms will arrive a little later for you and stick around a little longer Thursday morning, but we should start to see those skies clear by Thursday afternoon. Neil, Casey?
You behave yourself.